Hey there, I am Mr. Smith, your English teacher. Lily is with me to practice English speaking.
Hey, I am Lily. Mr. Smith will ask me questions, and I will reply. Let's start.
Okay, tell me, how is it going?
Excited to learn English.
Great to have you, Lily. Let's dive in. First step, greetings. How would you say hello in English?
Is it a hi or a hey?
Absolutely, Lily. Both hi and hey work. Now, step 2, introducing yourself. Can you tell me about you?
Sure. I am Lily. I like music and cats. What about you?
Nice to meet you, Lily. I am Mr. Smith, and I enjoy reading and hiking. Now, step 3, asking questions. Ask me something in English.
Okay. What's your favorite book?
Good one. It's To Kill a Mockingbird. Now, step 4, answering questions. What's your favorite book, Lily?
I love a Harry Potter. Is that a good choice?
Absolutely. Harry Potter is a fantastic book. Step 5, daily routines. Let's talk about our daily activities. What do you do in the morning?
I usually wake up, eat breakfast, and go to school. How about you?
Similar. I wake up, have a coffee, and then start to teach. Step 6, common phrases. What's a phrase you hear often?
Maybe. How are you? Is that common?
Spot on. Step 7, numbers. Can you count to 10 in English?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. You are doing great, Lily. Step 8, expressions. Can you say something like, I am happy or I am tired?
I am happy to learn English. Is that right?
Absolutely. You nailed it. Keep it up, Lily. Engaging conversations help us learn. Any questions so far?
Not yet, Mr. Smith. This is fun.
Glad to hear that, Lily. And friends, if you are still watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more engaging content.
Definitely subscribing, Mr. Smith. Now, step 9, colors. Can we talk about colors in English?
Absolutely. Let's start with the basics. What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
Perfect. Step 10, small talk. Imagine we just met. What might you ask me?
Maybe. How is your day going, Mr. Smith?
Excellent small talk, Lily. Step 11, places. Can you name a few common places in a town?
There is a school, a park, and a library.
Now, step 12, emotions. How would you express being happy in English?
I would say, I'm so happy, right?
Absolutely right, Lily. You are picking this up quickly. Step 13, hobbies. What do you like to do for fun?
I love drawing and listening to music. How about you, Mr. Smith?
Great hobbies. I enjoy hiking and playing the guitar. Now, step 14, food. Can you name a few foods in English?
Pizza, apple, and chocolate?
Perfect. And step 15, time. Can you tell me the time in English?
It's 3 o'clock.
Excellent job, Lily. You have covered so much ground today. Remember, everyone, practice is key. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more. Keep learning, and see you next time.